This video is for the 5th grade exploratory website assignment 1, create a website. First, you're going to go to weebly.com and then you're going to click login in the top right corner. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on G login down at the bottom. And then from here, what you're going to do is click on your account when it appears. And then you're going to click on the, you have to put in your password. Sometimes it's going to make you put in your password. So I'm just going to do that now. This might not pop up, just so you know. But if it does, you would simply put in your password and then click on next. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click on where it says sign up right here. Okay, and then from here what you're going to do is you're going to put in your first and last name. So I'm just going to do that. And then from here what you're going to do is you're going to put in your email address. You want to make sure that you put the @hanoverstudents.org at the end. So just going to do that right now and make sure that you spell it correctly. And then from here what you're going to do is you're going to put in your password. I'm just going to type it over here on the side so you can see it, but really you're going to put it down there. What you need to do is you actually need to enter in HMS and then whatever your password is. So I'm just kind of making one up now. This is not the actual password, but anyway, so I'm just going to go ahead and type that into the password field. So again, it's going to be HMS and then whatever your 7-digit password is, make sure that you put in the dashes as well, and then click on sign up for free. And you can save the password, that way it will remember it on your Chromebook. Okay, so then from here you're going to click on I just need a website. Again, you can click to save your password. So we're going to click I just need a website. And then from here you're going to click on the other category. Okay, and then you're going to click on the modern and elegant style. You will be able to change the way it looks at a later point in time. And then you're going to click start editing. So then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to choose a URL for your website. And what you want to do is it has to be something that hasn't already been taken up. So like, for example, I might do something like my initials, so L and G, maybe do a dash. You can do letters, numbers, and dashes. And then you might do something like the location that you're doing. So we'll do L&G Freedom Trail. Okay, so since we're doing our website on the Freedom Trail. And then you're going to go ahead and click on search. And then from here, what you're going to do is click on the bottom choose button. You have to do the bottom one because the other ones cost money. And then you're going to click on done. So then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to add your partner as an editor. So you're going to click on settings. So that way both of you can access the website. You're going to click on editors. And then you're going to click on add editor. And so then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to enter in your partner's email address. And then from here, make sure you spell it correctly. So don't do what I just did. And then you'll just make sure you spell it correctly and then click on Save Editor. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Pages up at the top. Okay, so then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the home page. And you're going to just click on it there and then click on delete. We're actually just going to keep one page. We're going to click delete again. You're going to keep the shop page. So you're going to keep, click on about, delete, and delete. Next, you're going to click on blog and then click on delete and then delete again. And then finally, we're going to click on contact and click on delete and delete again. Okay, so now we're just left with the shop page. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and we're going to change the name. So we're just going to highlight it, and then you would type in the name of your location. So in this example, we're doing the Freedom Trail. And then from here, you're going to click on where it says no header, and you're going to change it so that it says header, and that's going to give you a space to put a picture in. So next, you're going to click on build up at the top, and then from here, you're going to let's see, yep, it should have a header. It's still loading. Okay, all right, so then you're gonna click on build up at the top, and you're gonna rest your pointer over where it says my site, and you're just going to click on off. From here, you're going to click where it says click here to edit, and then you're going to type in the name of your location again. So in this case, it would be Freedom Trail. And then what you want to do next is you want to scroll down a little bit. You're going to see this sort of faded picture. What you're going to do is you're going to click on it, and you'll see an X appear in the top right corner. You're going to click on that X and then click on delete. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to click and drag a text box to appear in the dotted line section. All right, so then what you're going to do next is you're going to open up a new tab. You're going to click on the little 3x3 grid, and you're going to click on Drive. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to search for your Avoiding Plagiarism document. So up at the top of Google Drive, you're just going to type in the word avoiding, and then it should pop up. So you're going to click on it. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to where you have your first copied and pasted sentence. You're just going to click anywhere in that space. Then you're going to hit Tab on your keyboard. And what that's going to do is it's going to highlight the Your Version sentence. So just to kind of show you right now, I'm going to hit Tab, and it highlights Your Version. So then you're going to hit Control-C on your keyboard, and then go back over to the Weebly tab, and then you're going to click where it says Click here to edit. You're going to click on the bullet button, which is the 3 dots and 3 lines, and then you're going to hit Control-V on your keyboard to paste it. So there's the sentence. You're then going to hit Enter to go on to the next line. You're going to go back over to the tab that has your Avoiding Plagiarism document. You're going to hit Tab 2 times. That's going to highlight the second Your Version. Control-C to copy it. You're going to click back over to the Weebly tab, and then you're going to hit Control-V to paste. And so there's the second sentence. You're going to hit Enter one more time. You're going to click back over to Avoiding Plagiarism. You're going to hit Tab 2 more times, 1, 2, so then it highlights the third Your Version. Hit Control-C on your keyboard. Then you're going to click back over to the Weebly tab, and then you're going to hit Control-V on your keyboard. So then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to change the picture up at the top. So we're just going to open up a new tab, and then I'm going to search for Freedom Trail. So you're going to search for your location. And then from here, you're going to click on Images. So then what you'll do next is you'll find an image that you like. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one right here. And then you're going to see sort of a larger version of it appear on the right-hand side. So what you're going to do is you're going to rest your pointer on that larger version. You're going to 2-finger click on your touchpad, and you're going to choose Save Image As. So then from here, what you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and click on Save. And then from here, you're going to click back over to Weebly, and then you're going to just scroll down a little bit so that way we can see, hold on, I'm just going to exit out of that. You don't have to exit out, but anyway, you're going to click on the picture that you currently have, and then what's going to happen is you're going to see this Edit Background button appear. You're going to click on that button, and then you're going to click on Replace. And then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Upload a Photo from your computer, and then it should pop up with the photo that you just saved. If it doesn't, just go ahead and click on Downloads, and then it should appear. And you're just going to double click on that, and so it should come up with the photo that you chose. And then from here, what you're going to do, you can click and drag to move it around. So I'm just going to go ahead and center it and then click on save.